Good morning, student. Once again, I am here for you for your online classes. Myself, Rajni Madhukar, and student, we don't do any other discussion. We come to our chapter. That is the chapter number 14, roots and flowers. Now, student, I explain you in this chapter first page. That is the page number 94. What is given on this page? On this page, some paragraph given, some pictures also given there. See this page. Now, on this page, what is given? First picture is given there. That is the two systems. Showed you two systems. That is related to plant. The visible part of the plant, it makes which system? Shoot system. And which part include in shoot system? That is stem, branches, leaves, birds, flower, fruit, all the parts. Those are visible, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं. It makes which system? Shoot system. And the part those are not visible are below the ground. That make root system. That is root. Means these parts are visible. Leaves and roots are not visible for us because it present underground the soil. Clear? So this is shoot system. I explain you about that. And this is root system. These two systems found in the plant. And after that, what is the root? Root is the part of next thing given on this page. The root. The root is the part of the plant. It make root system for the plant and also it is present underground the soil. And what is the function of the root? It helps the plant to stay straight or erect in the soil. Means root give the support the plant to stand on the ground. Same way, if you want to stand, like you have to see me. आप मुझे देखो how I stand on the floor with the help of my leg and with the help of my feet. पैर के पंजों के ऊपर मैं खड़ी हूँ. Same way you also stand on the floor with the help of your feet. Same way these work doing roots for the plant. सेम काम करती है जैसे हमारे पाँव के पंजे करते हैं ना, हमारे लिए वैसे ही रूट्स करती है प्लांट्स के लिए कि उसको प्लांट्स को खड़ा रखती है. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ द रूट. आफ्टर दैट सेकेंड फंक्शन ऑफ द रूट इज इट स्टोर्ड फूड फॉर द प्लांट. क्लियर? लाइक कैरेट, रेडिश, बीटरूट, these are the roots. And plant store their food in the root. These are the, not all plants store the food, some plants. Clear? After that, what is the third? It absorb water from the soils and also minerals and nutrients. Clear? If we watering the plant, अगर आप पानी को दोगे पौधे को, okay? If you watering the plant, it goes to underground the soil. Under the soil मिट्टी में चला जाता है. Soil absorb the water and send it to the underground the soil. It reached here. The roots are present here underground the soil. These roots absorb the water and send the other parts of the plant. Means पानी नीचे आता है फिर रूट उसको वापस ऊपर भेज देती है. Nutrients and other things also. Why root send the water to other parts? Because all parts need water and the leaves need water for preparing food for the plant. Clear? Leaves use this water to prepare food for the plant or use this water in the photosynthesis. When the leaves prepare food for the plant, this process is called photosynthesis. Clear? So the leaves use this water for the photosynthesis. Clear, student? So these are the function of the root. After that, I explain you about the two types of root. First is taproot. Now the second one is fibrous root. The taproot is situated deeply in the ground. बहुत नीचे तक जाती है. Subroot is also there. Some subroots are also there. Clear? But main root going deeply to the ground. बहुत अंदर तक जाती है. And basically those are the terrestrial trees. And the land plant like neem, people, mango, those are the big trees. They have taproot. Clear? Now the fibrous root. Fibrous root are, the main root is there, but main root is also thin, not very. And the subroots is there. There are so many small thin roots is there. Okay? So many thin roots is there. Okay? And these roots basically found in the herbs. Herb is small plants, जो बहुत छोटे plants होते हैं. Shrubs, and grass family plants have fibrous root. Onion, coriander, mint, and herb and shrubs are there are so many plants. Those are belong to herbs, shrubs and grass family. They have fibrous root. Clear? Now after that we come to our today's topic, that is special types of root. Basically the plants have two types of root system, taproot and fibrous root, and after that some special roots also present. Special roots also present in the some plants, not all plants. These roots found according to atmosphere and habitat. According to habitat of the plant, they have special types of roots. The first one is given, open the page number 95. This thing given in the 95. Page number 95. See here. This whole page. All types of special roots given here. Now, why these roots found in these plants? Because the roots modify them according to their habitat and environment. And I explained you about the habitat. What is the habitat? When the plant modify them according to their atmosphere, or the plant make them habitat and growing naturally in the particular atmosphere. For that they do some modification or modify their parts like leaf, roots to according to atmosphere. Clear? So these types of plant do some modification in their roots. Clear? What is the changes they are doing? So according to their name and their habitat, we discuss about them. First root is given prop root. Prop root. What is the meaning of prop root? And see the picture. Prop root. This is a picture of peepal tree. Okay, peepal tree. Have you seen some thread-like structure come out from the branches and leaves? This type of structure. What is there? That is the root. Root is present below the soil also. And some roots are come out from the branches, and this is the also connect with again on the earth. These types of root are called prop roots. Clear? We read this paragraph. See, first paragraph on the page number, which page number? 95. Page number 95. First paragraph, prop roots. Some plants such as banyan, peepal and ficus send down the roots from their stem or branches to the ground. See what I explained you, this thing given in the written form. Some plants such as banyan, peepal and ficus send down their roots. अपनी जड़ों को नीचे की तरफ भेज देते हैं from the branches and from the stem से और branches से. These roots are called prop roots. They sometimes get attached to the soil. What I explained you again, it comes down on the earth and go to underground the soil and provide additional support to the plant. What is the function of this root? It gives the extra support to the plant because these are the very big and heavy plants and their branches is also very heavy. For that, plants send their branches to the downside and these roots hold the soil and give the support the plant. Clear? This thing I explained you, if you know with the human body. Now we are stand on our feet, हम हमारे पैरों पर खड़े रहते हैं. कभी कभी हम गिरने लगते तो क्या करते हैं, हमारे हाथ का सहारा ले लेते हैं. Same way, plants doing this thing for the getting extra support. Clear? So these are the prop roots. First is prop root. Now the second one. What is given on the second one? Breathing root. Breathing root. Breathing roots. What is the meaning of the breathing roots and where these roots are found, in which types of plants and which types of habitat that plant have? Breathing roots are present in the mangroves. What is the meaning of the mangroves? These types of plant found in the marshy areas. Marshy areas. What is the meaning of the marshy areas? These areas fully covered with water. Fully covered with water, these areas. And soil is not there, only mud is there. वहाँ पे सिर्फ कीचड़ होता है. but plants growing there naturally, but they are doing some modification in their body. For what they plants do? For the breathing. Now the each and every living beings need air. We also need air. Animal also want air. The birds also need air. Same way the plants are the living beings, तो they need air. उन्हें भी सांस लेने की जरूरत है, हवा की जरूरत है. This was doing the roots for them. Clear? The leaves also doing, but that is not sufficient for them. For that their root modify them and come out from the surface of the water, because that area is fully covered with mud and water. कीचड़ और पानी से भरी हुई जगह रहती है. For the breathing their roots come out. See, roots also present underground the earth also. These are the roots and this is the plant. But on this surface roots come out. Why these roots come out? For the breathing. Now the leaves and other parts is also situated on the upper side. Okay, but roots also present there. Why these roots come out? For the breathing. And basically these types of roots present in the plant, those are growing, are surviving on the mangroves areas. Clear? Okay, we read this paragraph. Second paragraph. Breathing roots. Plants that grow in marshy areas have breathing roots. In such places soil is waterlogged and it does not contain sufficient air. Air is not there. Why this sentence given? In such places soil is waterlogged and it does not contain sufficient air. Where the air present? Water. The air present in the water, but the mud is also mixed there. कीचड़ और उसमें मिल जाता है, तो वहां पे एयर कम हो जाती है. So roots grow above the soil to get air from the atmosphere. Breathing roots are found in mangroves. Okay. Now again I read for you. Plants that grow in marshy areas. Marshy means these types of area fully covered with water and mud, but water is very less present in the less quantity. Mud is there. कीचड़ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पर. Have breathing roots. In such places, ऐसी जगहों पर soil is waterlogged. मिट्टी क्या होती है? बहुत कम पानी होता है वहाँ पर. And it does not contain sufficient air. पानी अगर कम होगा, मिट्टी ज़्यादा होगी, तो वहाँ पे एयर कम होगी. So roots grow above the soil to get air. For getting air, the roots come out on the floor from the atmosphere. Breathing roots are found in the mangroves. Mangroves, those plants are found in the marshy areas. We give them name. That is the mangroves. Okay. So this is the second types of root. First is prop root. Prop root found in the big trees. People. After that, bird and it comes out from the stem and branches, and it gives the extra support to the plant. Prop roots. Special roots. First type is proper root. Now the second one is breathing root. Breathing roots found in the mangrove plants, and it get extra. It not plants those are found in the mangroves areas. They not get proper air. So for the getting The roots of these plants come out from the floor, come out from the ground for the breathing. Clear? Now the third special types of root. Now the third special types of root is propagating roots. These roots are found in the cherry and strawberry trees, plants. What is the structure of these types of roots? Now see, this is the ground, soil is there. Now the root is there. Now the bird is there. From the beginning. Clear? Propagating roots have buds close to the surface of the ground. Means this side is the look like a root, but here is bud. Bud is there. Clear? Propagating roots have buds close to the surface of the ground. These buds can grow into new independent plant. Propagating roots are found in the cherry and strawberry. Means if you cut this part and grow in the new surface, अगर आप इसको इस पार्ट को बर्ड को कट करके नई जगह पे लगा दोगे, ओके, तो इट ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रो अ न्यू प्लांट. Clear? And also new roots. So these are the propagating roots, and the propagating roots found in the strawberry and cherry trees. Clear? This is the third one. Now the fourth one is special root. Fourth special root. Water storing root. These types of roots store the water for the plant, and store water. And which types of plant have water storing roots? Those are found in the desert area, those are growing in the those are growing in the rivers. Basically watermelon and muskmelon growing in the water. So their roots have so much water is in it. And now the plants, some plants store the water, that give the extra support for the germination of the fruits and germination of the flower. Now such roots, what is given in the paragraph? See, third paragraph, fourth paragraph. Water storing roots. Such roots store water, making it easier to plant to survive long and dry summer months. Pumpkin and ground and gourd have such roots. When the farmer grow watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin and some vegetables in the very hot season, in which season? In summer season. Now the plant need water So the plant store the water in their roots, and when they are facing very hot condition or very heavy sun rays, that time that plant use that water for the living. Clear? So this is the 4 types of the roots, water storing roots. Why the plants store water? Why the roots of these types of plants store the water? Because it is growing in the summer season, and for the availability of the water, their roots store the water, and when they are facing very tough conditions, that time they have to use this water. Clear? Now the next 5th one is buttress root. Buttress roots. These types of roots found in the rainforest, tropical rainforest areas, because these types of roots give the support the plant, which how it give the support I showed you through the picture. Now see, this is the tree. Tropical rainforest area fully covered with very long trees, long and broad trees. Okay, because the plants get sufficient water for the growing naturally, and but the soil or mud is not there. If the soil is present but quantity of the soil is very less, वहाँ पे बहुत कम मिट्टी होती है. Why? Because these types of forest areas facing so much rainfall, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है वहाँ पर. If the continuously rainfall is there, तो it destroy the soil. अगर आप देखना किसी प्लांट को लगाना, उस पर डेली आप बहुत फोर्स से पानी डालोगे तो वहाँ की मिट्टी हट जाती है ना. तो same thing happened with these types of plants. For their roots come out on the ground. रूट्स उनकी बाहर आ जाती है, यहाँ से बाहर दिखने लगती है. Why? Because soil is not there, sufficient soil is not there, but the roots want to give the support the plant. For that it hold the soil, come out and hold the soil and spread out, और ये फैलने लगती है. तो एक प्लांट की या ट्री की आपको जड़ें बहुत ज्यादा दूर तक मिलेंगी. इन विच टाइप्स एरिया? ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट जोन, जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है. हिंदी में उसको वर्षावन बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे हमेशा बारिश होती रहती है. क्लियर? तो दिस टाइप्स ऑफ रूट, बटरेस रूट्स वी फाउंड इन द ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट जोन. एंड व्हाई इट लुक लाइक this? Because it give the extra support. Why? Because here soil is not present. Soil present but very less, बहुत कम मिट्टी होती है वहाँ पर. So for that their roots spread out, जड़ें उसकी फैलने लगती है, जहाँ मिट्टी होगी वहाँ पकड़ लेगी, उससे आगे बढ़ जाती है. Clear? Now to read this paragraph. Buttress roots grow in all sides from a tall tree. बहुत लंबे पेड़ होते हैं, उनके आसपास फैली रहती है। सच रूट्स आर फाउंड इन ट्रीज ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट। इन दिस फॉरेस्ट सॉइल इज पुअर, बहुत कम मिट्टी होती है। सो रूट्स डू नॉट गो डीप इनसाइड, इसलिए रूट नीचे नहीं जाके ऊपर फैलने लगती है। दे प्रिवेंट द प्लांट्स फ्रॉम फॉलिंग ओवर एंड हेल्प देम टू टेक इन मोर न्यूट्रिएंट। What is the function of the root? It holds the plant. If the roots go deeper, so it gives the support, but soil is not there. Sufficient soil is not there, तो for that it spread. वो फैलने लगेगी और support देगी. Clear? So these are the 5 types of special roots. What is the first one? That is the prop root. Prop root found in the which types of plant? Neem, peepal, and banyan. Why these plant have prop root? Because these roots give the extra support of the plant, and these roots come out from the branches and stem. Now the second one is breathing root. Mangroves plants have, or trees have breathing root. Why these types of root found there? Because these plants growing in the marshy areas. Marshy area fully covered with water and mud, and for the breathing these roots come out from the ground. After that, third one is propagating roots. These types have from the beginning, they have buds, and if we cut that bud and growing in the new place, so naturally it grow a new plant. Clear? Strawberry and the cherry have which type of root? Propagating root. Now water storing root. Water storing roots found in the dry areas are those plants are growing in the which month? Dry summer month, जिनको हम गर्मी में उगाते हैं, तो their roots store the water for the plant. Pumpkin and gourd have such roots. Now the buttress roots found in the tropical rainforest plant. Those are found in the tropical forest plant. Clear? Why? Because in that area the soil is very less, मिट्टी बहुत कम होती है. If the root hold the plant, for that is spread on the ground and give the support. Clear? So these are the special types of root. First one is prop root. Now the second one is breathing root. Now the third one is propagating root. Now the fourth one is water storing root. Now the fifth one is buttress root. Now student, these roots I explained you with picturization. Special roots, 5 types of roots: prop roots, breathing roots, propagating roots, water storing root and buttress root. These are the 5 types of special roots, and 2 types is also there: fibrous root and tap root. Clear? But these are the special roots. Why we give them special root? Because these types of roots modify them for the survive on the particular habitat. उस हैबिटेट में, वातावरण में पौधे को जिंदा रखने के लिए जो रूट्स होती है अपने आप को मॉडिफाई कर लेती है। क्लियर? नाउ so this is the chapter number 14. In this chapter I explain you today I explain you about the special roots. Okay student, so I finish my lecture here, but you have to read the chapter. Okay, page number 94 and 95. And if you have any problem, my number is with you, so make a call me and solve your doubts. Okay student, so I finish my lecture here. I request you have to read the page number 94 and 95. Clear? Now I finish my lecture. Bye.